It's Steven's 16th birthday, and it's a surprise present. You ready, Steven?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
I really don't know.
Take a guess.
A car. Oh.
Close.
What?
Close.
A truck? Yes! You surprise!
Surprise!
Yeah!
You
Serious?
like it?
No.
Why?
It's a piece
This will be something that you can beat up and you don't have to worry about scratches or anything, and then you can get a job.
Yeah, but it's a piece of crap. And
It is. It runs really, really good.
But it's safer than a sports car you could buy it though. It's safer than a sports car.
Yeah, but I'll look like a retard driving it.
No, you won't.
Oh my god. You guys like making me look like a freaking retard in front of all my friends.
Quit acting like
Well,
a
now
spoiled
you can
little rat.
get a job.
Where are you going?
Car.
Go in the house.
Where are you going?
Get away from me! Oh my god.
Dude, what are you doing with
Tell
that?
Jack to put the
Oh,
camera
I would
away.
put that away. You better
no.
put that away.
I just paid $200 for that truck. No. Do not touch the truck.
Oh my
You
God.
better not.
I'm not really
doing?
freaking.
Hey!
Oh my God.
Stop! No! Get away! Stop it! Full fucking bitch.
Man, this is totally ridiculous.
You guys like making me look like a freaking poor kid in front of all my friends.
Oh my God.
All the time.
No. It's off. It's off.
Don't care. Don't.
Steven, cut it out. Oh my God.
Thanks, you guys. I'm like the most unfreaking popular kid.
Give me the camera.
No.
Put the camera